We have quite a few news today, so let's go over exactly what's been happening today in the market and the futures market, the ES, and so on and so forth. So the ES drops 1%, and there are fears of an AI bubble. This is basically the headlines so far today. So if you look at what's been happening, I think look at this piece of news over here. So we have the on Wall Street, technology stocks were weighing down S&P, blah blah blah. Basically, Oracle shares were lower after it said talks for an equity deal to support data center project were on schedule and to not include a Blue Owl Capital. So basically, this is, I guess, part of the reason, but a lot of talk about the AI bubble lately, and price has been kind of acting weirdly and obviously down today for almost 1%. Not a good thing, obviously, and VIX is up about 7%. At the same time, we have silver at all-time high. We have the CPI coming tomorrow, and we have the Venezuela tanker blockade affecting safe haven metals, silver and gold, and crude oil obviously also went up because Venezuela, they produce and export a lot of crude oil. So silver is basically all-time high, and gold, I think gold is close to all-time high, but silver has been pretty much crazy. Volatility for silver is pretty good. Same thing for crude oil. Volatility is pretty good. And obviously natural gas, which I don't trade during this season or in the winter time. But crude oil has been going down on ample global supply, the Russia-Ukraine peace negotiations. But now it went up due to the tanker blockade, and you can see it very clearly through the headlines over here. Another thing for me to kind of share is my HD short put position. It's currently up 1% of credit, so it's this position over here. Volatility was pretty good when I opened the position, and you can see right the day after I opened the position, the price dropped 2.59%, which was obviously really hurtful. But now a few days passed by, and the price is just about here, so not quite where I opened the position. But the position is basically positive as of today, as of right now. And my short put is at 4.9, 41 days to expiration. And the news are really, really bullish. There are supply stress and stresses, and a lot of demand for copper for AI, for data centers, for to build stuff, real estate, whatnot. Copper is being used basically in everything and anything that you can really imagine. Especially anything to do with AI. So this is it for an update for today. Things that are pretty interesting. At the same time, the only three products the only two products that maybe I might open a position is crude oil and silver. These are the only ones that have good volatility. And again, natural gas is a product I don't trade during the winter time because it's too volatile. It's been it's too much going on with it, and it's really hard to gauge with any kind of certainty where the price will go. So thank you again. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this move on the ES didn't hurt you too much. And stay profitable, and I will get you tomorrow with a new video.